Today I'll be sharing with you 5 simple exercises to reduce breast size. Please consider subscribing and turn on the post notification bell. Let's get right into this video. The first simple exercise for you to do is your bent knee push-up. This bent knee push-up is super good because once you lie on your stomach and put your hands below the shoulders, you bend the lower legs behind the body and keep the ankles crossed. Then the next thing is strengthen the arms to press the body upward. Then slowly bend your arms and lower the body toward the ground. Then press your body back up. Then you can start with 20 push-ups per day and increase count every day. Push-ups can tighten and tone the chest muscles to reduce the overall size of your breast. Then the next one is wall push-ups. Wall push-up is good because once you stand at an arm's length distance in front of the wall, you start doing wall push-ups. Do it for 20 seconds and relax. Repeat this 10 to 15 times daily. Perform this exercise twice daily. Wall press is one of the simplest exercises that you can do anywhere. Then all you need is a wall to get started. The process is similar to that of a regular push-up, but here you do it in a standing position. So this exercise strengthens the pectoral muscles and burns the fat in your breast and armpit. This exercise, you can notice an improvement in 1 week if you perform it every day. Then the next one I'm going to share with you is chest fly. Chest fly is good once you lie flat on the ground with your feet together and your arms out to the side, perpendicular to your body. Holding a weight in each hand, raise your arms up in front of your chest until they touch directly in front of you. Then lower back to the starting position without touching the floor for 1. Then do this 3-4 sets of 15 to 20 repeatedly. Chest fly exercise helps in reducing the fat around the breast. That's why chest fly is super good for you. Then the next one I'm gonna introduce to you is jumping jack. Jumping jack is super good for you because once you stand straight, you keep your feet close together and your arms to your side. Next, you got to jump. Bring your feet apart and bring your hands over your head. Then turn back to the starting position by jumping and bring your feet back together and arms back to the side. Then gradually increase the speed. Do this for 20 seconds, then relax for 10 seconds. Then repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice daily. Then the next one is swimming, which is the last one. Swimming, yes, can reduce your bust size if you do it properly and regularly. So the front and back strokes involved in this exercise burns the excess fat around the breast, subjecting the chest muscle to a lot of pressure. This helps in reducing the bust size to an extent, which is super good for you. However, you must do at least 2 laps of swimming for 10 minutes every day to notice the difference. So please consider subscribing. As I said, today I'm gonna stop here. Love you guys all. Bye bye.